Hey, do you know community economy is going to be a $3 trillion by 2030? The biggest of the brands are relying on community economy platforms to scale and launch their products. And no wonder, WhatsApp also released a feature called Community. So, what does it signify? It signifies that every brand has to depend on a community platform to grow its brand. Hey, this is Sushant. I am the founder of Authenticate Amplifiers Hub Private Limited. I'm very excited to introduce to a tool which is a game-changing community platform wherein you can launch, scale, and soar your business. Now, this tool is exclusively built for content creators, digital creators, solopreneurs, business owners, and entrepreneurs like you. Now, this tool has everything in it. When I mention everything, it has social feed, it has networking opportunity. You can chat, you can stack your resources, and there is a learning management system option wherein you can host your product or service offering, and you can host your live events, everything under one umbrella. If we have to make the $3 trillion economy as a real, then absolutely you have to capitalize on community economy platform. And why not our platform? Come join us. Let's rock together.